What is up, ConvoEase family? I'm Emma, and we are back with another massive lesson to take your English from basic to brilliant.
And I'm Alex. Today we are tackling a feeling that is universal. It doesn't matter if you're in New York, Tokyo, or London. Everyone knows the struggle of the Monday blues.
Exactly, Alex. We've got a special story today about a student named Elara. She's going to take us deep into her world and explain why Mondays feel like such a mountain to climb.
But this isn't just a story. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered 8 essential daily expressions, perfected your pronunciation through shadowing, and learned how to talk about your own routine naturally.
If you're ready to crush your English goals, hit that like button, subscribe to ConvoEase, and let's dive into Elara's Monday morning. My name is Elara, and I'm a high school student. To be honest, I really don't like Mondays. It starts before the day even begins. Every Sunday night, there's this heavy feeling in my chest. I feel sad because I just know Monday is looming around the corner. Then it happens. Monday morning. The sun isn't even fully up, but I hear it. My alarm clock ringing and ringing, breaking the silence. I want so badly to stay in bed, to stay under the warm covers, but I just can't. My mom usually calls out from the hallway, "Elara, time to get up. You don't want to be late for school." I drag myself out of bed, get dressed, and try to eat breakfast. Most of the time, I'm in such a rush that I just eat a piece of toast, because there is simply no time for anything else. I have to run, literally run, to catch the school bus. And let me tell you, the bus is always crowded. I can never find a seat. I have to stand there holding on tight to the rail, swaying as the bus moves through traffic. By the time I step into school, I feel so sleepy. My first class is math. Now, I actually like math, but on Mondays, it's different. My brain feels slow, like a turtle. I can't think clearly at all. And of course, my teacher always chooses Monday to ask the hardest questions. Lunch is my only escape. I talk to my friends. And guess what? They don't like Mondays either. We sit there and ask each other, why can't every day be Saturday? We laugh, but it's a bit sad because we know we have to go back to class in a few minutes. After lunch, I have gym class. Normally, I'm active, but on Mondays, I'm just too tired to run or play any games. I just want to find a corner, sit down, and rest. My teacher tries to motivate me, saying, "Come on, Elara, you can do it." But my heart isn't in it. I just want to go home. Finally, the school day ends. I head home, finish my homework, and then I start to feel a little bit better. Why? Because I know Tuesday is coming. Tuesdays are never as bad as Mondays. So that's my story. Mondays are long, they are tiring, and they definitely make me feel grumpy. But I try to stay positive. My mom tells me that after Monday, the week always gets better. I really hope she's right.
Wow, Elara really painted a picture there. I think we've all felt like our brains were slow like a turtle at some point, right, Emma?
Absolutely. That's such a great expression. Let's break down the vocabulary Elara used so our ConvoEase students can use them too. Elara said she had to catch the school bus. This means to get on the bus before it leaves.
Right. For example, I have to catch the bus to get to school on time. She also said the bus was crowded. This means it's full of people with no room to move.
Like a concert or a busy mall. The bus was so crowded that I had to stand. Elara felt sleepy in her first class. This is that feeling when you just need to sleep.
Exactly. After a long day at school, I felt very sleepy. This is my favorite. It means moving or thinking very slowly.
It's a perfect simile. He walked to school slow like a turtle because he didn't want to go. This is the class where you exercise and play sports.
Example, we played basketball in gym class today. Elara felt tired, meaning she needed to rest.
And rest means to relax and do nothing. After a long hike, you just want to sit down and rest. We use finally to describe something happening at the end of a long time.
Like when we say, finally, the weekend is here. And the last one, grumpy. This means being in a bad mood and not happy.
We've all been there. He was grumpy because he didn't get enough sleep. Now it's time for the most important part of the lesson, speaking practice. We are going to repeat Elara's story. I want you to listen to her, then repeat out loud with all your heart.
Don't be shy. Speaking out loud is how you build muscle memory. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Elara. I'm a high school student, and I really don't like Mondays. Every Sunday night, I feel sad because I know Monday is coming. On Mondays, I have to wake up early. I hear my alarm clock ringing. I want to stay in bed, but I can't. My mom says, "Elara, time to get up. You don't want to be late for school." I get dressed and eat my breakfast quickly. Then I run to catch the school bus. The bus is always crowded, and I can't find a seat. I have to stand and hold on tight. When I get to school, I feel so sleepy. My brain feels slow like a turtle. I can't think clearly. My teacher always asks hard questions. During lunch, I talk to my friends. They don't like Mondays either. Why can't every day be Saturday? We laugh, but we have to go back to class. After lunch, I have gym class. I am too tired to run or play games. I just want to sit down and rest. Finally, the school day ends. I go home and do my homework. I feel a little better because I know Tuesday is coming. Tuesdays are not as bad as Mondays. They are long, tiring, and make me feel grumpy. But I try to think positive. My mom says, after Monday, the week gets better. I hope she's right. Amazing job today, ConvoEase family. You just practiced listening, learned new vocabulary, and worked on your speaking, all in one lesson.
Consistency is key. Every single time you show up and practice like this, you are getting one step closer to fluency. We are so proud of the work you're putting in.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson with us. We have so many more stories and tips coming your way soon.
Leave us a comment below. Are you like Elara? Do you hate Mondays? Or do you have a secret to making them better? Let's chat in the comments.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, after Monday, the week gets better.
See you in the next one. Bye.
See you in the next one. Bye.